Where are you coming from?
See, Oga, no bossy. Now for day now. The last bus where they go, bossy now I say make I enter, they say it don't full. I say make I hang for back, they no gree. Crocodile egg now don't they find since morning they walk everywhere. They say that kind of thing you no fit find am for here. No be things what they say for store. So I need to go down to bossy.
I beg your pardon. Crocodile egg. Who asked you to get crocodile egg?
Na madam o. Madam just rush come out here say Polo make I go dey find crocodile egg. Say where I wan find this one. They say make I dey go everywhere for this time dey find crocodile.
Hey, hold it there.
Okay, I even waka so the people come dey look me like all these small boys wey dey carry pot dey follow native doctor. I come dey wonder which kind thing be this. Before they say make I dey go go dey find am since.
She asked you to get crocodile egg.
Yes o.
What is she going to do with it?
I know. At first I even think say she wan fry am chop. Before she come say she get injury wey she wan take crocodile egg take heal. Na the thing I dey since morning I don waka tire.
Where is she?
She go dey inside room.
Alright, wash these cars.
The heart of man is there. dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you. So be careful.
Paul!
Sir?
Where's my son, Jamal?
Oh, Jamal, he go there inside. He go there do mass assignment inside.
Are you stupid? Paul, what's wrong with you? You've been acting strange. You've been acting very weird. Have you started taking alcohol?
Me? Okay, what you won't concern me concern alcohol. You don't ever see me with alcohol before. Okay, leave alcohol aside. I don't.
Where is my son, Jamal?
Okay, Jamal, they inside.
Listen, I missed his calls. I called him back and he's not picking up. You said he was inside. I checked everywhere and my son is nowhere to be found. I'm suspecting you had gone out to drink alcohol, reason you have lost your mind. And that is why you didn't know when he left the house.
Okay, I won't begin the life for you now. I tell you, sir, I sit down here, madam come meet me, say make I go dey find crocodile egg. Some people say make I dey go Okeja. Some even say make I dey go Nteje. That's why I waka tire since morning. I know see my day.
Paul, shut up your mouth. Where's my son Jamal? He's not home.
Okay, Jamal dey inside. Make I go help you find him. Jamal
okay, are you trying to call me a liar?
Okay, no be sad.
Paul, are you saying I am lying?
No be sad. They talk say they like, but to give everything what they tell you and do. Jamal your son no be pikin wey dey waka dey play ball, dey follow children dey play. He dey always dey inside. Now wetin okay, everything what I tell you here today na true. The crocodile egg why they tell you say they find. I don't find am. I don't even make call. Some people say make I call some for Accra thing boom say na there then they sell am. Say no be waiting they buy na spiritual something. How go dey lie for you? Check where you go there.
Because I they call you. You want to enter my mouth. Unga, come and enter. Come on, my friend shifts back. Yeah? What did you tell my husband I asked you to go and buy?
Okay. I tell him exactly what you talk.
What be the exactly thing when I say make you go buy?
I tell Oga say you send me, you say make I with the waka they go find crocodile egg for you.
Hey, keep quiet. Just shut up. What time and when did I ask you to go and get crocodile egg? Austin, Polo, I specifically asked you to go and get me cockroach medicine. How can you tell me that cockroach sounds like a crocodile? Cockroach, crocodile. I mean, where is the resemblance? How do they even sound alike? So I asked you to go and get me something. You now balanced, sat down on your own and decided to change the name to what you like to go and look for. Okwaya?
Hey.
But even if I asked you to go and get crocodile egg, or Lodo, where will you see crocodile egg on planet? My friend, will you get out? Where is Jamal?
Now when I go buy crocodile egg for you, now I can go buy for you.
Oh, I see crocodile egg. Yeah. Look at me. You look at me, body mom.
Sugar, settle with your husband, Hi, husband material. 1,000 yards. Let me find something and eat, I'll be inside. You know what?
You need to do something about Polo. You need to do something about him. You see that guy alone, he can cause another pandemic in this world. I simply asked him to go and get me cockroach medicine. I don't know where he had a crocodile egg from. How can I even ask him to go and get crocodile? Where on earth will he get crocodile egg? Oh, Chimo, just want to come and put me in trouble. Where did Jamal even go to?
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you. So be careful. The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
Let us see. Let us see how she is going to surface again.
Shebi, she's a seed. Let her grow from the ground. No, I want to see her grow from the ground. They call her Grace. Oneko. I keep on carrying her Grace around. Let me see how it will happen.
Grace Blomia. Grace the grave. Mama. Grace has graced the grave.
Mama, I carry baby years. Mama, Mama, let's go. Let's go, Mama. Let us open this grave. Mama, cut off. We need to chop off her head. Let us go. Don't worry, she will die. Mama, let's go before somebody even sees us. Mama, why didn't you allow us to cover her head fully? Bury her fully.
I want the vultures to feed on her skull.
So that in her next life, to be better.
You buried me, but then you forgot I am a seed. You can never take a life from whom you never give a life to. Except Hachi has consented to that. My name is Grace, and I represent Grace.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
Very, very tense, Mama. Mama, something is not right. There is something wrong somewhere, Mama. I can feel it. There's something wrong.
What do you mean something is not right? What is not right? Guinea be hard or right?
Mama, Mama, I saw Grace.
You saw Grace? Which Grace?
How many Grace do you know, Mama? Our own Grace. I saw her in my dream, but Mother, it looked so real. It looks like she was standing very close to us, Mama.
What do you mean you saw Grace? The Grace that we just buried. We have buried her. I am sure that by now vultures must have finished her skull.
Mama, I know we buried her. I know what I'm saying, Mama. Mama, you don't understand. See, in this dream, we buried her. We left her here so that the vultures can eat her up.
Which they have done.
But then, Mama, she came back. She came back and she came for us, Mama. Mama, something is wrong somewhere. Mama, we are not safe, oh.
Mama badi poto. Margaret, address it. It's not possible. I am safe as bed. Nesangally everywhere.
The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness.
I know what I'm saying. Mama, Grace, it seems Grace is alive.
Shut up. Grace can never come again. She is dead and gone. You will not see her in this life, even in the 7 lives to come. Give me my brush, people.
Mama, I know what I'm saying. You know, I dream like Joseph. My dream is
I have told you to stop sleeping in the afternoon. Stop sleeping in the afternoon so that you won't be having these bad dreams. Get used to something. Get something doing. During the day, yes. I'm going to raise you. Oh, I can't say, chop that chicken. If it is possible, go to the kitchen and get me a fried chicken. And I'm up on the kitchen. Go. Don't go in your kitchen. Please.
Cause it might come back to you.
Hey, Margaret, Mama Sugar.
Good day, sir.
Now waiting.
Sir, sorry. I actually came in search of someone. I've been trying to reach her, but her number is not going through.
Who be that?
Her name is Gracious, the chef.
Oh, the chef?
Yeah.
Where you can't see?
Yes.
Chef don't lost since. We don't define him since yesterday. We never see him.
What?
Even as she come out for here, and so she carry everybody below. Come on, fiam. We define him. You see him?
Oga, sorry. You mean the chef is missing?
Ha! They talk from nose. They tell you say we define him since yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Who you be? What's happening?
I'm her friend. I came to get something from her. Please, can I see your Oga? Is he around?
Oga no day. Any information, anything where you want to talk or where you want to tell him, just tell me. If we see him, I go tell him. I will make I go call madam. Wait, make I call madam.
No, hey. Oga, don't worry. Please, I don't want to see madam.
You don't want to see madam?
No, I will come back. Yes, I will come to check on Oga.
Oh.
Please, in case you see her, tell her to call me. That I'm very, very worried.
You don't talk him before. If I see her.
Thank you.
You won't cry for here. Which guy? Get us your face even there. Thank you. Okay, you see madam. Bye bye, yo.
Polo! Who was that you were talking to?
Madam, no one knows. Don't forget for me, I say, United.
Huh? Come on, open this gate!
Madam, put it.
Open the gate!
What's in the sea? What's in the apple?
What is going on? Aboki Sinandobioka, what is it?
That same news. Madam, any problem? Person they see. Why you dey under pressure like this? What did they happen?
What happened?
There is trouble. Mama, something is wrong somewhere.
Something is wrong somewhere. Where?
Mama, you remember that nurse? The one I said I saw with Grace, they were talking. Mama, she was here. I am very certain she was the one that came here now. Mama, she has come to tell my husband everything. I know Mama, we are in trouble. We need to leave this place. Let us leave this place. Mama, let's go.
We have to leave this place.
Can we leave this place?
I have not enjoyed shisha. I can't leave all this wealth and run away now. No. Mama, we're not garden.
Buruze the house. Carry the house. Let's carry it to the space we have in the village.
Or the possible.
I will do it. Mama, what are you saying? I don't understand. Is it better we stay here and then the police comes here to arrest us?
Police? Who will call police for money?
Mama?
Mama badi poto. Nobody can call police for me.
If my husband finds out everything that has happened, Mama, he will arrest us. Let us go.
Arrest Moabo Magi. Is it possible? Onye police I will twist it. Not be person who call police is the window. I'm not running, no. Hey, run. Go where? Leave this house. Eh? This place is full of air conditioner. Eh? Now lalola at will, eat at will, and go back to the village where I will just be going from one house to the other to get money from the charcoal I sold to them. Mama Nkechi just run me just manage. Not running away. We die here. Me, Maggie, run for one nurse like that. No, now we have to twist it. I get twisted. Makana kemanka.
The hard man
Hey,
is
my key is not running.
dangerous.
I am not running, oh my dear, relax. Your mother, Margaret, Adipete, I am happy.
Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you. So be careful. The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what you do, 'cause it might come back to you. So be careful. The heart of man is dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly. The bitterness in the heart of man has led to many atrocities. But why? Be careful what
Hey,
you
girl.
do.
Her
'Cause
phone
it
stay
might
switched
come
off.
back to you. So be careful. A wicked world. What a wicked world.
Yeah, so what are you talking about?
The world is so wicked
You can't find your son?
and deadly.
How? Your son and your chef has been missing since yesterday. How come? Please calm down. Please calm down. Where are you, so I'll come and meet you. It's alright, I'm coming. Alright. My goodness, what kind of rubbish is this? Huh? Seriously? I'm coming right away. I'll be there shortly. Can't believe this. Just have to do something about this.
my beautiful friend?
Nelly, my friend. Thank God you're here.
I've been calling you, but you aren't picking your calls.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! I'm sorry, my phone is in my bag.
Are you sure you're okay?
How can I be fine? I'm not fine, I'm tired.
You sure okay? Please come in. Come, it's open.
Worried about her. How can she disappear? How? I remember the last time we were together. I begged her to stay. I begged her not to go back to that house. But she insisted. Yes. But she said it was the right time to take the bull by the horn. And now, she's nowhere to be found.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Are you thinking what I am thinking? Are you?
The stepsister and mother must be up to something evil again. That girl is not safe wherever she is.
Just turn him into me. Yes. Mama. So that whatever. What? Keep quiet. Add blindness to the mumunish.
Paraji! Sorry, sir. Sorry. Mama, you see blindness. How do you want him to sign the document if he's blind?
You guide him. Experience has taught me a lot. What the eye sees, it fills the brain. We need to take his sight off him. By that we will deprive him of the knowledge of things happening around him. Your mother has gained a lot through experience.
How do you mean, Mama?
There is no how. Just be listening. Don't mind us, eh? That's how we argue at times. So come on, yes. We disagree to agree. So I want the level of the mulish and the blindness to come up near high level. What else? I want him to be barking like a dog.
This is my husband we're talking about. Why would you want him to be like a dog?
Are we talking about husband? We are talking about how to acquire wealth. Husband that is stingy. You can marry any man of your choice.
You know,
and all the moromo.
they tangle themselves with ritual. It's either the person is barking like a dog or eating from the dustbin. So which one do you choose? Barking like a dog or eating from the dustbin? Barking like a dog. Barking, yes. Or not barking.
Whatever you want, you will use this medicine to control it. Yes. Hey.
Pick it.
What here? Pick it. Pick it. Pick it.
Your mother says you should pick it. Are you alright? Is husband material my husband? What can they have pick it?
Pick it.
Make sure you pick this thing. Bongo.
Hey! Babe! Babe!
Yes, darling!
My eyes!
Oh!
What's going on here?
Your eyes? What, your eyes?
I can't see!
Hey! Are you serious? What is going on? Husband material?
Huh?
What? Get it. What is going on?
I can't see my eyes.
What do you mean you can't see? Your eyes? What's up, Aganya?
I can't see.
Hey! Did pepper enter your eyes?
I don't know.
Stand up.
Huh?
Get up. Stand up.
Am I blind?
Blind what? Did pepper enter your eyes?
Have I gone blind?
No.
Stand
it's
up.
not possible.
Huh?
Stand up.
What's going on?
Stand up.
Huh?
Stand up. Sit down. Sit down.
Huh?
Sit down. When they say sit down, you sit on a chair. Ngwa, sit down. Sit down.
Wait, am I blind?
Sit down.
I can't see anything.
But sit down. Sit first. No, sit. Sit.
Huh?
Sit down. Stand up.
Huh?
Stand up. Stand up.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Ngwa, to your room. Left. Left.
Huh?
Ngwa, left. Left. Ngwa, left.
Left.
Yeah.
Left.
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 Left. Oh yeah, right.
Right.
Right. Forward the march. What's
going on here?